Hey guys, I will show you how to install Dart on your computer. So for that, the first step is to go to a web browser and search for Dart. Click on the first link, and when you get there, on the top right corner, click on Get Dart. There, you will see various options on how you can install Dart. You can use a package manager, you can use a Docker image, you can install Flutter, from which you will get the whole package of app development. You can download a zip archive from SDK archive, or you can build SDK from the source. For this video, we're going to download the zip archive from SDK archive. So just click on the SDK archive link. You'll get to this. On the stable channel, select the latest version and your operating system from the drop down, and then select your architecture, and then click on dark SDK, not the SHA version, the dark SDK, from which you'll get prompted to save the download. Once you've done that, extract the files using your preferred extracting software. I'll use WinRAR. And once the files have been extracted, you will get a folder. You need to go inside this folder where you will get the Dart file. You just copy it or cut it and go to your desired drive, not the directory, the drive. And once you get to the drive, just paste it there. I have done this process, so it will ask me to replace the file. I will just click on replace, but for you, it will not ask for the same process. Once you click on replace the files will be pasted. After this, I want you to go inside the file and go inside the bin folder, and then copy the location link from the address bar at the top. Just copy this and then click on your Windows button and go to control panel. Once you're here, go on the search and type system variables. Once you type system variables, you will get this link. Just click on it, and once you click on it, it will open this. Just at the bottom, you see environment variables. Just go to environment variables, and on the path, you click it and click edit. I have done this. I will just delete the before the one that I did it, and I will click it again. Just click on new and paste the address that you have copied, and that's it. Now just click on OK from here, and again click on OK, and again click on OK, and close this. So once done, we can test it by using Visual Studio Code. I have just written some codes out there, but you need to install an extension. Let me tell you, go to the extensions tab in VS Code, and there just search for Dart. So when you search for Dart, you will get various options. Like the first one, the plugin. This is the plugin. Just install it, and then you can run Dart code. I will just show you to run hello world. Just write void main, and then just write print and write the hello world or anything that you like to print, and save it, and then you can just run it in the terminal. So yes guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.